President Marcos says the government is not behind the incident inside the Senate premises tonight. The Senate and the PNP, Marcos says, will jointly investigate the chaos that erupted. Gunfire was heard after a still unidentified group forcibly entered the Senate building, presumably to arrest Senator Ronald De La Rosa. Marcos stressed there was no order to arrest De La Rosa.
Wala pong instruction kahit na kanino na hulihin si Senator Bato. At ang nangyari, ang NBI, sinabihan ko nung lumabas yung resolution ng Supreme Court, mga alas 4 yung kaninang hapon, ay sinabi ko, umalis na kayo dyan. Nag-comply naman sila. Kaya nung kausap ko si Director Matibag, sabi niya walang NBI doon, nandito lahat kami sa opisina. At ayun po, ay dahil kong mapaalam na sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan, itong pangyayari na ito, ay tayo maging kalma lang po. Nakausap ko na si Senate President Alan Cayetano at nag-agree kami. We agree that the thing to do now is to tell our people all to calm down. And we will get to the bottom of this. Alamin natin kung sino ang gumawa nitong gulo na ito. Ito ba ay talagang nagka-inkwentro lang? O ito ba ay may kasama sa mga distab? O nagsusimula ng gulo? Kailangan po natin malaman yan. Kaya mag-iimbestiga sabay ang Senado at saka ang PNP tungkol dito.
For updates, visit www.manilatimes.net.